Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So this is a no face video because I don't wear my makeup. Yep. Right now, so right now I'm in class. 3.9, 3.9, right? Yeah. It's usually this class is used by usually this class is used by the RMGB class. That's my friend. She's vlogging too. Yep. She's also vlogging. Yeah. So I finished my class and I'm going to go home. But we're still waiting for a friend. She's programmer. TRPLB. Yep. So I'll tell you a story. Yep. So yesterday I forgot to bring back my lunch box. Dinner box. I mean, yeah. So I left it here yesterday, and that's right. I forgot to bring it back. I forgot to bring it back home. So yep. So today I don't bring. I don't cook and I don't bring any dinner from home. Yeah, I bought it at Buyuyon. Yeah, I bought my dinner at Buyuyon. Yep. And there is also a cat. There's a cat. Cat is very short tempered. The cat was pregnant and cat is gets angry when I touch her. Yeah, my friend tried to disrupt her, like she touched the cat and the cat was angry, but she continued in reply. She continued doing it repeatedly. Yeah, and the cat becomes very angry, and then the cat scratched her and wants to bite her too. Yeah, so I tried to shush her away. I tried to shush the cat away, and yeah, but not with harsh way. I do it with by giving it some food. I say that I bought no, fried chicken for dinner. So yeah, I love it a little bit and then I give it to the cat. Yeah. The cat was pregnant. Yeah, the pregnant cat is her belly was so big. Yeah, it's so big, very very big. Yeah, I don't know what it's been like 2 months maybe since she's pregnant. I don't know. Yeah. Maybe the birthday is nearby. I don't know. Yeah. So I guess my friend is already almost done. So yeah, I stop. Goodbye, guys.